you, I'm sure, just inspires a lot of young people. So that should be a good event.
Yeah, and it's cool to have people when you're so young and interested in the weather, because we're in Florida. Weather really does impact us every day.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
hopefully can teach them a couple things that they can learn and take with them. And, when I was young, I met a meteorologist when I was like in fourth grade, or when I was 4 years old in kindergarten. So here I am.
Exactly. It goes a long way.
It does. It really does. So I'm really excited for that event later on, Stephen. So let's get a look there on our radar. We do have a couple spotty showers right now, kind of just working their way there along the Treasure Coast into Okeechobee County. Nothing too wild out there. No lightning strikes, no thunderstorms to report, but some quick movers being driven by that strong onshore wind. And then more rainfall as we take a look into Palm Beach County, mostly along the Beeline Highway there, heading towards Indiantown, Pahokee, Belglade, inland communities from Wellington, all the way into the Acres, Loxahatchee. Quiet conditions there along the coast for now, but later today we're still anticipating a little extra rainfall to kick in as we head throughout the late afternoon hours and through the overnight for tonight. Now we have a couple things to talk about. We just have the onshore wind bringing in that extra moisture for today, but we have a cold front right here, which will help give us a chance for even more rainfall. And then a secondary front right behind it, which will actually help drop our temperatures tremendously by the weekend. So take a look. Waking up to the mid-70s Wednesday, Thursday morning. Friday, a little cooler with that first front. Saturday, even colder with that secondary cold front. Temperatures for this time of the year should actually be in the lower 60s. We'll wake up to widespread 40s for your Saturday morning. So definitely a day to break out the jackets. It's going to be a cool day overall. For today, though, again, a couple spotty showers at least now through that first half of the afternoon. And then as we head throughout the evening, we'll see even more rainfall moving in. A couple thunderstorms can't be ruled out coming in from the Atlantic waters. We'll be tracking that for you across Palm Beach County along the Turnpike and 95 there right around tonight. And as we head into the overnight through your Wednesday morning, we are waking up to some scattered rainfall, some thunderstorms, some heavy downpours. All this rain we're going to squeeze out of those clouds right now will be very beneficial because we are seeing drought conditions across the state. Wednesday afternoon, we're still going to keep that rain chance in the forecast. If you're heading to the Boca Bowl, bring that rain jacket, but we are looking at some pretty soggy conditions throughout your Wednesday afternoon into the evening as well. Here's our first cold front. Notice what happens. We have some scattered rain ahead of it Thursday, and then behind it, we could still see a couple of lingering showers. But for the most part, the heaviest of rain will be later tonight throughout your Wednesday. Right now, though, beautiful day, West Palm Beach, taking that view of Sandy Tree. Winds coming in around the east with temperatures in the low 80s. So low 80s through the next couple of hours, and then we'll really feel those impacts from heavier downpours kicking in later on this evening, well after sundown, with temperatures just hovering in the low 70s. So impact weather again because of that scattered rainfall, a couple downpours, and even isolated thunderstorm or two. Even though this time of the year is actually technically the driest portion of the season. We are looking at winds reciting just a little bit, so not as strong throughout your Thursday or Friday, although I do think next Monday we'll see some very windy conditions once again. So we're not quite done with the winds. We just get a little bit of a break there. Beach and boating, small craft advisory looking very rough offshore. Seas around 4 to 8 feet. Choppy conditions nonetheless in the intracoastal. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, certified the most accurate here in South Florida. Impact weather Tuesday, Wednesday because of the scattered rainfall, uptick in moisture there. Again, we are going to be monitoring the chance for 1 or 2 thunderstorms. Otherwise, first cold front moves in Thursday, drops our temperatures a little bit by Thursday night into your Friday, and then secondary cold front really drops those temperatures. It doesn't bring us much rainfall, but we'll wake up to the widespread 40s Saturday morning, rebounding only to right around 70 degrees, and then another cold start for your Sunday with low 70s for the highs, and then snapping back to normal with temperatures near average heading into your Christmas week.
Brooke, thanks. Now to concerns about